Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to enable and manage dual connection on your headphones OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. You have to start by open the application and now scroll down. Right here we have dual connection, so click on it and firstly we should enable it. Here we go. Now put your headphones to the charging case and we need to have a second phone. For it, without any connection here we go. Now put your headphones to the charging case and then press and hold. I should click pair new device and then press and hold connectional button right here for a few seconds. Now click on it at the device list and click pair. And here we go. As you can see, we just connected two devices to the headphones, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!